Good morning students, this is your math class. In the previous video, you have done this review worksheet. Today, we will do something more. Student, these pages, see and cross it very carefully. Adding 3 numbers, page number 58, page number 59, make the cross from here. Page number 60, page number 61, and then page number 62, page number 63, page number 64, page number 65. Students, till page number 65 are not in course, not in your course. Student, these pages that I have told you, that is not in your course, okay? So today we will do maths gym. So what will we do today? Today we will do maths gym on page number 66. Students, first of all, you write the date. So today's date is 1st.10.20, 1st October 2020, and the quotation is greet with love. Student, you know gym, your uncle, your father, they usually go to the gym. For what? For doing exercise. So today you will also do the exercise in your book. So get ready and get ready and do the exercise. So today's we will do exercise of our brain, mental exercise. Okay, in this gym your uncle and your father do the physical exercise, but we will do mental exercise. We use our brain to do this. Okay, so get ready. Student, in the first question, that is the triangle. What is a triangle? 3 lines. 3 lines in this figure, so we call it triangle. In the triangle, add along each line. We have to add the numbers on each line. Here 1, 6 and 2. We add 1 plus 6 plus 2. Again the next line is 2 plus 4 plus 3. And the third line is 3, 5, 1. 3 plus 5 plus 1. You know very well how we add these numbers. So get ready and add these numbers. 1 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2, 1, 2. So how we will find our answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Then our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again our answer is 9. When we adding this line, our answer is 9. When we adding this line, our answer is 9. Let's see the last line. What will the answer? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again our answer is 9. So it's miracle. All the 3 lines having same sum. 9, 9 and 9. Let's do the another exercise. Fill in 2 to 7. Only numbers that come in 2 to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to fill the numbers only coming in the 2 or between 2 or 7. Okay. So here the sum of each line is equal. You have to remember the sum of each line is equal. So 2 and 3. Our answer is, the question tell us 12. The sum of each lines is 12. The sum of our answer is 12. So we have to fill the numbers. The sum of that number comes 12. So let's start. 2 and 3 I have. So in 5, what number we have to add? It becomes 12. So student, if we write 7, okay. 3, 1, 2, 3 and 2. We have 5. We have 5 already, 5. Then what number we have to want to add it? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. If we have 7, then our answer is 12. So I write 7 here. Let's see the second line. 3 plus 5. We have 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 8. Then what number we have to want for what? For it becomes 12. So if we add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we add 4, then our answer is 12. Okay. Then in the third line, we also had 4 and 2. So the sum of 4 and 2 is 6. Okay. Now, if we want 12, then what number we have to want to make 12? 6. We have already 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want 6. We write here 6. Then again our answer is 6, 4, 10 and 2, 12. So each line gives us 12. You're right? Yes. In 3, fill in 1 to 9 to get a sum of 15. So here we want 15, the sum of 15. The number we have to add in following 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number comes on this. We have to fill and our sum should be 15. So let's find this line first. 8 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3. 1, 2, 3. Then what number we have? 1 to make 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make 15, we need 4. So we write here 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12, 1, 2, 3. 15, okay. We already had 4 plus 3. 7. Okay, 7. Now, what number we have to need? We need 4, 3, 7. 8. To make 15, we need 8. 8, 4, 12. 12 and 3, 15. Now, we have to add first this line. 8 to 10. 10. So, we need 5 to make 15. 5 and 3, 8. We have 7. Okay. This is the math gem. You have to use your brain. Otherwise, you will not do any sum. Okay. In the last, student, first we add 1 block plus 2 blocks. 1 into 3. Okay. Then we add 2 plus 3. Then 5. Then we add these two. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. So you have to fill the number here. Their answer is 7. So to make 7, what number we have to need? We need 3 plus 4, 7, and 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. In the last, here 16. So 10 is here. We need, which number we have to need? We need 6. Then it becomes 16. Then how to make 6? If we add 2 plus 4, then it makes 6. And how we will make 10? If we add 6 and 4, then it becomes 10. So we write it here, 4 and 6. So student, do this exercise and improve your mental health. Okay.